It's like
Pick one up for you.
it's like she's done it before.
Okay, let's say hi. This is Raven.
Yeah, be gentle with Raven.
I don't know if I'll let her hold. I'll just let her.
Yeah, be
You
gentle.
hold? You want to wash her hands when she's done.
Okay.
They're kind of stinky.
So she.
Look at this.
Oh, you showing the little chickie your chicken?
Say, buck, buck, buck. What sound did the chicken make now? You want to hold? Okay, careful.
Be real gentle.
Just be real gentle. Okay?
Real gentle with the little chicken.
Very gentle. Got to hold it real light. Oh my gosh. Be careful. Don't touch. Don't touch.
Oh, is it bad?
No, they're they're dirty. I don't think. Wow.
If she was trying to kiss it or something.
No kisses. Okay, just hold her gently.